Hi, this is Ron Weber, Chief Operating Officer at Trinet Internet Solutions, and I'm here to discuss Trinet Digital Event Services. Are you planning a live online meeting or event, but you're wondering about how to tackle the following challenges? First off, how do you market and promote your online event? Second, how do you make sure your audio and your video are first rate? Third, how do you avoid technical issues during the event? And fourth, how do you avoid trying to do it all by yourself? And finally, how do you avoid a live digital event disaster? Our event professionals can help you run your interactive live video conference events and get you better audience engagement. Trinet's been producing live streamed digital events for over 20 years, including product launches, medical webcasts, company global training events, investor meetings, board of director meetings, global summit events, and large-scale public events. Whether you're planning an important internal or external meeting, presentation, event, or conference, Trinet's professional staff can make your live event a success. We've helped clients with Zoom, GoToMeeting, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Webinar Jam, and many other digital meeting platforms by offering the following services to make sure your event is a success. First off, digital marketing campaigns to get lots of people to attend your live online event. Second, training services to train you and your team on how to run a successful live event. Third, event content creation, whether it's PowerPoints, event collateral, or videos. Fourth, live online event setup and production. Fifth, behind-the-scenes assistance to run the live event professionally. Sixth, follow-up replays of the event. Seventh, follow-up marketing to reach event attendees. You can have peace of mind knowing that Trinet has extensive experience running online streaming events all over the world for many years. If you'd like to learn more, and be sure to watch this video titled How to Run Professional Interactive Video Conference Events That Get Better Audience Engagement. If you're ready to plan your event and you want to make sure your event runs smoothly, you want to get trained, or you just need help preparing and running your digital event, contact us today either by phone at 949-442-8900 or click on the button below to reach us to discuss your specific advisory or training needs. We can craft an event package tailored for your budget. Talk to you soon.